Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Good morning or good afternoon. My name is Melanie Reagas Baconawa. I'm turning 46 this coming May 5. And I'm looking for an employer there in Hong Kong. Hope you accept me. Before anything else, I want to tell more about myself. My experience in as a domestic helper, I'm ex farm Middle East. I'm working there at 2 years. I finished my contract and I come back in the Philippines. Then when I come back in the Philippines, I decide to apply in Hong Kong before. Um, Hong Kong, and I have a employer there. Within 4 years, I taking care for two babies, almost 2 years old and almost 3 years old. The baby, the children of my employer. So now I'm here in Philippines, and I'm looking again employer because of my kids. I'm separated, so I'm only the one who support my college son and my turning college daughter. So I decided again to come back in Hong Kong to have a work there so that I can support my two children to their studies in college. In Middle East, my work there is taking care of children also, but I'm focused in the cleaning and cooking, and they have also a car. Sometimes I car wash, not every day, just only maybe once a week, or it depends upon them, but not every day I car wash, just only once a week or twice. And then I'm focused in cleaning. Their house is very big, so I'm only one there at helper, cleaning. Then after cleaning, washing clothes, and then cooking. That's my job there. Then after my contract there, I go home. That's why I decide to go to Hong Kong to work, and one employer, uh, two babies. So I love to taking care of babies because seem like my children, the babies. That's why my employer there before is go already in Canada. They live in Canada now, so that's why I'm going home, and then I'm just stay here, then have a little income with a little sari-sari store, but it's not enough to. Now I decide to come back in Hong Kong because my my income here is really not yet enough to, because I have already to college. So I want to work hard for them so that they can finish their college studies. So if I in Hong Kong, I taking care of babies, then I cooking, I cleaning also, I wash clothes, ironing, not always iron because just only the polo shirt of my employer, because he is an engineer, and then mom is not really always iron the clothes, only for babies and for sir, but not always. I focus for the babies and the cooking and cleaning, and that's why, and washing. Yeah, because I'm only one in the home, a helper in the home. So about speaking, I don't I can talk Cantonese because my employer before is she don't want me to talk Cantonese. She want me to talk pure English in the home so that the kids will learn more English. So now, if you want to ask more about me, so you can contact me anytime, ma'am, sir. I hope you can accept me as your helper, and I'm I'm a very hard work woman, and I'm follow what's your instruction, and all your instruction, your rules in the home. I'm very I obey that one. What is your what is your um what is your rules in the home? I I follow it, and then I love kids. All the kids, I want to taking care of kids. So I hope you accept my application, and um, you can know more if we can talk if you want to know more about me. Thank you so much. I hope you accept my application, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong again. And because I love Hong Kong, I love Hong Kong, and thank you, and God bless. God bless.